The answer pad is an interactive way to assess students and receive and give feedback. It can also be used as a way to easily obtain grades and generate reports. The answer pad can be used as an app or even as a web browser, which makes it easier. To be able to use everything that answer pad provides, you have to pay a price for it. So I'm only going to be showing you only what they have available for free. So this is what the dashboard would look like, or the portal would look like for the instructor. And I'll show you the interactive assessment piece first. Actually, I don't. The answer pad is an interactive way to assess students and receive and give feedback. It can also be used as a way to easily obtain grades and generate reports. It can be used as an app or even as a web browser. So you have a wide range of different types of devices that you and your students can use for this. To be able to use everything that it provides, they actually charge you money for it. So we're only going to be looking at what's available for free today. So this is what the teacher would see as their dashboard or portal. You can see that you can generate the reports. That's just the news. You can create student portfolios, set up an answer sheet only, just print that out. Your library is just a series of tests that you might have, or scorecards that you can keep on record. And then this is the interactive piece, the interactive assessment piece, and that's what we're going to start out with today. So you click on interactive and then click connect on the drop down menu. And this is your dashboard. Right now it's pretty much empty. This is where your students would show up if they were connected. And how they would connect is through this code up here at the top left-hand corner, the TYINE. And students, what they would see when they connect would be this. And in this box is where they would put in the connection code. And connect, it always asks for the name. And you can come up with code names or whatever for safety reasons. And for now, all they're going to see is that they're waiting for a question because I haven't posed it yet. And so then the teachers would have to put in their question type that they want to use. What you really have to remember is that teachers don't actually input the question itself. The questions are posed to the students either by having them written on the smartboard or whiteboard, or the teacher asking them orally. All we're doing here is saying what type of answer students are going to be required to give. So there's multiple choice type answers, true and false, yes, no, up, down, fill in, the likelihood scale, drawing, and a web page. We're going to go in and use the fill in option for our example. And then you want to click on the send out. And this can sometimes be a little slow. Today it was nice and quick, which is good. So now this is the student page again, and they see just an empty box. So they have all of this space to fill in their answers. We're going to pretend that the teacher is asking who their favorite football team is. And being a South Jersey native, I'm going to put in the Philadelphia Eagles because they are the best. And then the student would click submit. Back into the teacher page, you'll see that the student has put in the answer, and the teacher can then move their answer over to the student portfolio, or over here, this is where they can give immediate feedback. And it's traffic light style, the red, yellow, and green lights, and they can also put in some text to respond all the way to the Super Bowl. And we'll click on the green. And back at the student side, they will see the feedback in the top right-hand corner with a green light, and they can click on the speech bubble to see the teacher comments right there. So you can see this is a really quick way to get answers and to be able to give feedback right back to the students. So thank you very much, and everybody have a great night.